Professor Dr. Ayman al-Najjar and Engineer Arwa Ismail. We are the Wizards, and we are here to introduce and present you with our project, which is the Wizard tool. As Wizards, we try to introduce a new tool to manipulate and perform actions on our PCs and our computers without going and performing the keystrokes or the sequence of pushing buttons in hand or whatever. We try to make it more simple and more easier for people even with special needs and people who are lazy like us, like JCNs and people who have much more important things to do than push a sequence of buttons. As for our approach, we subdivided our work into five different milestones. The first milestone was to connect the Altera board with our PC through the serial port connection. The second one was to send information and data through the serial connection from the Altera board to the PC, which was very unorthodox because most of the information was used to be sent from the PC to the Altera, not the other way around. Our third milestone was to show or print out the information that we are sending through the connection by capturing it through certain software that was available on the internet, which is a real term. Our before last milestone was to write our own Java program that does the capturing process for us and enables us to do more with the information that we capture and the data that we get from this process. Finally, we would connect our Altera board with an accelerometer and a few sensors, infrared sensors, in order to enable it to switch or manipulate the computer through from a distance without even pressing the buttons on the Altera board. As for our results, we have managed successfully to perform the first 4 milestones. We completely fulfilled our goals with these milestones.
So all what we need for this project is the Altera DE2115 and a serial port which will be connected, which will be connecting the Altera to the PC. Yes, and it's working. We need just little lines of code to establish the connection. So we will start by opening the real-time application, opening the Altera thing, getting it programmed. Okay, and it's working. Let's start testing by a 0. Excellent. And the 1, 7. 15.
31. 63. 137.
Now we'll try sending data from their computer to the Altera board. We'll send 1. We'll send 3. Send 7. 36. 255. We have also implemented a Java code which will receive the data from the Altera. Let's test that. Zeros. And now to the last milestone, which we will translate the bit sent from the Altera into actions to be executed by the laptop. Let's run the code. So this is right click and this is a left click. We can also try this on some slides here. So you can find the slides moving using the Altera, forward and backward.
We didn't have the time or the capacity to complete that milestone, but we encourage our colleagues and the people who will come after us and who will follow in our footsteps and with this project to do this on their own and take it forward to reach what we have, what we dream to reach, and fulfill what we are needed to fulfill in our term and in our time. I hope we have met your expectations, and on behalf of the Wizards, I thank you for your support and your efforts in making this process succeed to this extent. Thank you all.